Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to be able to pour from a bottle super easily and mess-free, I want to show you these TableCraft free flow pour spouts. So these things are awesome. I use these for several things. I like to use them for oil bottles, like olive oil for cooking. It makes it really easy to pour into a pan without mess. But mostly what I would like to use these for is occasionally my husband and I will do a little bit of bartending for private events. And these are a lifesaver for easily pouring from a bottle and measuring really, really easily. So if you ever notice in a bar or a restaurant that all of their bottles have these little tight pour spouts, it's because it makes a world of difference. And even if you just make cocktails at home for 1 or 2 people, they really do make it so much easier. So super simple to use. You just pop these on the top of your bottle. So you'll see that on the back, there is this little piece here, which provides a vent. So that just allows the liquid to come out really easily because you have that vent there. So this prevents spills. It makes things so much simpler, and you definitely have less waste because you are not spilling all over the place. So I would highly recommend these for cooking as well as bartending use. They are just an awesome little thing that I definitely would not go without. And that's my point of view.